Chandrasekhar Ghosh, who kind of showed us that what exactly you can do with the passion, hard work, and not essentially a lot of money. But what he did is that it's really execution. So we come back to you, sir, Mr. Ghosh, and the past president of Bengal Chamber of Commerce. It's such an honor for me to have you in this panel.
Very surprised for me when I got the bank license, and the people all over the India, people are surprised. You got the bank license from Calcutta. So they're not believed it on that. The Calcutta can do on that. Then I've been very much surprised on that. Why people are surprised? Is it that the Calcutta or Bengal is not the entrepreneur, the art, and the soul is not in the feet? Very much surprised. And I see that the finding out, if we see that the Dr. Prafulla Chandra Roy, who is the graduate from Edinburgh, no, and he started in a Bengal Chemical, and people forget about it. If I say that the Sri Surendra Mohan Bose, who is a duck back, no, he is also from the Stanford. If I say that the Kiran Shankar Rai, who is from Oxford, for Bengal Lamb, if the education is the highest, the biggest institution, they got that the degree and started the enterprise in Bengal. But I am from the grassroots and started one enterprise, and people are saying the surprise Bengal is not in the entrepreneur mark. So that is a very surprise for all of us in this situation. But I am also give that all of you know that all three institutions are not in a good position. Once upon a time, they are the biggest, they are the lion, but now it is not any position on that. Why? Where is it why this position has come to the Bengal? Or this type of best institution are not not in a bid. So that is the point on that we'll be like to think in the way of the environment and the family, institution, and the next generation of people. All will be like to look in a one way. So what is this? The possible is build up this entrepreneurship.
It's all about practical learning, which is very important. And the point about internship is also very relevant. Like in hospitality, internship is a very important part. But similarly, in a lot of other areas, we can do internship as an integral part of the program, which right now is very academic. So I think the family, the seniors, they need to come and support us, support the millennials. They have to support the kids and say, yeah, it's a good thing. So small for the young graduates coming from the catering college or coming from the college, and they want to set up something, if they come and talk with your managers. So is Bandhan Bank also in it to support these youngsters and take a little bit of risk on it?
Actually, the funding, the two types of that. One type of funding is coming from the established enterprise, established business. Another kind of funding is a very small, is there, that is to encourage the entrepreneurs. It's a depend on that entrepreneur's interest. If someone say that I have need the money, I like to start it, that they will not get the money. They will start their way to the business and show their intention and they are doing, then money is not the issue. So that is the point on that. Many point on that, only getting the money as in I have been show the business. No. So that is not the way to get the money to any other bank, even our bank also.
Right, right.
So if we understand on that it is a startup, fine. But see that is a very good potential, good model, and the intention of the promoter is good. No. So then that is not a problem.